Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke, and I'm back with a full face-ish of Tarte, just reviewing some Tarte Cosmetics items, just going through a couple of their palettes and creating this look. I hope you guys enjoy and just keep on watching. I don't think I've done a full face video in ever. I've never done it. Okay, great. I have already picked out my look for the day. We'll insert a pic. Lovely. I'm super excited. I feel like blue is one of those colors that I feel very confident pulling off blue eyeshadow. I used to hate it back in the day when it was like that Maybelline shit, but I'm so excited because if there's one thing Tarte can do, and I can tell you confidently right now today, they can fuck you up on some eyeshadows. They know what they're doing. So I'm using the Tartelette Toasted palette, and I'm going in with Warmth, which I'm just gonna put this midway through the crease. Brush, just because it's really one color. When I do blue, I honestly try to stick to like one or two blues max, just because it makes it a lot easier. Tartist Pro Remix palette. This has some really amazing shades. Like if you like color, just mixing it up, tons of beautiful shades. So I'm going to be going into Artist, which is so pretty. These are my favorite types of blue to work with for my skin tone. And then I'm just going to go for that wing shape. I'm just going to start in the very center and just kind of put some color down. Like, look at that. Look how quickly that, like, look how that happened. Like, y'all, like, these shadows don't fuck around. They just don't. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And we're done. Make that happen. But I'm blending very slightly. Like, I don't need this to be a super blended look. It's kind of like a hard edge kind of situation. Obviously going for a little bit of harshness. A little bit. I don't know what it is with me and tape. I just don't like putting tape on my face. I think it's fucking weird. It never, like, I can just conceal it away for the most part. I don't know about this eyeshadow because it's so pigmented, but there. And then do the same on the other side. These shadows are gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm really impressed. I knew this eye would be so much easier. It's like, boom, one fucking swipe. Wow. All right. I have my wings on. They're obviously not even because I'm freehanding with one of the, like, look how big this eyeshadow brush is. Like, give me some fucking credit. Like, no. Wow. This shit is big as fuck. I don't even know why I'm using this brush. It doesn't even make sense. Okay, but I'm gonna go over the whole thing with more eyeshadow. How it looks. What I would consider one coat of eyeshadow. I'm gonna just pat on just a little more on those gaps closer to my lash line, and then just build up that intensity. It's nice. I love that. Okay, sick. With that brush that I used the orange on, and I'm just gonna go over that top line, just real like casual, nothing crazy. Just to kind of get it sharp, because I want this line sharp. Like, this right here is going to go away. I don't like, see how that flares up? Like, you don't want that. So I'm just going to start cleaning things up a little bit. But I wanted to kind of give it more of a denim-y look because I'm going to be wearing denim today. And to do that, so in this palette, they have these, like, I don't know why these are in like circular pans. It doesn't even tell you why. I think some of them are just like a different, like, diamondy finish. Like this I used, it was amazing. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this on top. Although this is a nice, like, light blue, this pulls very green, and this one actually pulls more light blue. So I'm gonna hopefully layer that and then get like a really, like, add that whitewash kind of look. Yay, yes, it's doing exactly what I want to do. See how it's like just a touch like lighter, just kind of over the outer corner, because I do want that to be dark, and then just give me back that, like, little bit of dimension and depth to my eye. This to just set almost like a stamp, and then I'll blend it out. While my rhinestones are getting khaki. I am going to start on my mascara. This is the Tarte Whites Camera Lashes. I've always had beef with this packaging. I've just never liked it, and that's what's always kept me from trying it. And honestly, this is a fantastic mascara. No joke. Like, no joke. I didn't want to like it, obviously. Like, I'm very into my aesthetics. Like, this just it doesn't even fit my hand right. Like, using it, I don't even like using it, but I can't deny that my lashes look insane. Like, this is mascara. Like, this is like classic, like everything you want out of lashes, everything you would expect out of mascara, it just gives you. It's just like, hi, hello. Thickens, but it's not too much. They're never clumpy, ever. Separation, volume, length, lights, camera, lashes. Like, that's what I'm talking about. Like, it's just not something to be played with. I love this. I don't know why, but it's screaming like oh my god, it's screaming Dallas stars, and I'm from the Dallas area, so this is just like, I'm sick to my stomach right now. Like, all I see are like little white boots and a kick line. Like, I found out about setting spray recently. I know people talk about it all the time, but I was just like, didn't think it would do shit for me. And this is the Tarte Stay Spray. No, this shit is the truth. Comes out as a fine mist. I've had no problems. Like, it's super fine mist. Nice packaging, nothing too fancy, so you can throw it in a bag. Let's chit chat. What is the best of the best of the best from Tarte? So I'm just gonna start with this. This stands out to me. I really like this. It's a good finish. Like, I have like it adds a bit of a gloss, it's like a frosted glass. That's how I feel anytime I wear it. It's like a frosted glass. It's like on the top layer, it just adds this bit of a shine, but with my matte foundation, it just looks like it's not gonna get any shinier. No, it's just gonna stay where it is. I really like that about this. So, and it smells good. The mist is fine. I've had no problems with it. It's not too extra with the packaging, so you can take it wherever. You get a good amount. I like this. I really like this. I was surprised. I was like, oh shit, setting spray is the truth. And then moving on to eyes. Okay, I love the Tartelette Toasted. I have the Tartelette, oh my god, which one is it? Tartelette in Bloom, I believe, or maybe, is there one after that? I don't know, but I have another Tartelette palette, and they are honestly amazing. They are just go-tos. I love the Tartelette palettes. I'll never not love them. They'd have to do a crazy color for me to not be into it, but the shadows are gorgeous. They do get quite a bit of fallout, but I still like them. I think they're a super cute palette. I think they're a really good gift too, just because it's like anyone can use them. The pants do fall out, but they go right back in. Like, they're magnetic, which I really like, because sometimes when I travel, like, I've effed up some palettes. So I dropped this, they popped out, I put them right back in. I was like, okay, I don't even know, hopefully they're in the right spots. That would be embarrassing. And then next, I don't know if this is a must-have. I don't think, if you are not into crazy eyeshadow or just eyeshadow at all, this is not really gonna be like your baby. But if you just want to try out like something outside of the Tartelette palettes, because they are very, very neutral, because it's like, had I not tried this, I don't think I really have any other Tarte eyeshadows that are like colorful. Like, no, not at all. So I think this is a really good introduction to colors. But of course, if this one isn't, like, this is the remix, Tarte Pro Remix, so I'm sure if you like brights, it's pretty consistent across the board, because like it's just how good their shadows are. It really is. I'm very impressed. There's not one in here that hasn't made me just like, damn. High quality, well thought out eyeshadows. This palette just might not be for everyone, you know. It's got a lot going on, a lot of jewel tones, but at the end of the day, it's really effing pretty. Like, you can create some major looks without having to have like an eyeliner base and this and that, like all the shit. Like, no, you're just gonna be able to make a really cute out there look. So I like this. And also a good gift if you know someone who really likes eyeshadow. And then, oh my god, I love this. So this is from their Sugar Rush collection. This is their Easy on the Eyes eyeliner. I did a whole reel, which I will insert, using this. It was actually my first reel, I think. And it is just, it's so pretty. It's waterproof, it's smooth, it blends, but like you have to work quickly, of course, because it is waterproof. I really like it. I really, really liked it. And it took a lot of strength for me not to use it today because I was like, oh, I could just, and I was like, just relax, you know? I really do like the gloss. This is a really, really, really nice gloss. As far as the lippy lingerie, I do like this as well. I think these are both a really cute lip combo. I don't think this is one of those that I would wear by myself. I would always have something underneath it just because it does pull a touch gray. But as far as the formula of it, fantastic. This color Villa, just I would go with something a little deeper for me, but it still wasn't like extremely unflattering at all. And then Exposed, this I was surprised that I could put this on without, like, I wouldn't need a lip liner. Would I like one just for the gradient and the look? Yeah, but like I wouldn't need one and like feel like uncomfortable. Like this I can put on without thinking about it, and I know I look good. So for like a neutral tone, I think they did a really good job. This is very neutral. I think it's very easy and everyone can get away with it. I'll give you a little swatch so you can see the vibe. Like, see how it just, like, you can barely even see it. That's how it just goes. But it is pigmented. Like, do not get me wrong. That is a full color you're getting there. And then, of course, the Tarte Pro lash glue. It's keeping these glitters on as well as my lashes. This is one of the best lash glues I've ever used. I think it's about $9 at Ulta, and it is worth every penny, I have to be honest. Especially if you just have problems with lashes lifting or just getting your lashes on. I feel like this just makes every time I put my lashes on so much easier. So I will always repurchase this. I love it. Basically, although I've just never understood the packaging of this one, this is a fantastic mascara. This is top tier mascara. This is absolutely worth it. I feel way more confident now in my no lash game having this in my collection. Like, it's just good. It's just good. It makes you feel like you have eyelashes, like dead ass. That's how I feel. I'm like, okay, cool. And then those are all the best of the best of Tarte. I do have to go in though. I ain't no bitch. I gotta say it. This is horrible. This is a horrible eyeliner. Do not get it. The pencil's bad. The liner is it's just far too thick. It's just so effing thick and hard to control. I just, and then it bleeds out. Like, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. But yeah, it's just bleeding. I just had the worst time with this. Yeah, my search for the perfect felt tip liquid eyeliner is still underway. But other than that, I am trying a couple of their skincare products. Their world famous I don't know the name. Their famous oil, as well as the eye cream. So once I finish my eye cream, I will give you guys a review of those if they are, you know, worth it. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And other than that, let me know what you guys want to see next. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave it a like. If you liked me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Yvonne Brooke. And I hope this video found you in the best place possible.